Hi guys, what's up? It's another interesting week for cryptocurrency and for we traders. I think this week has been tough. I'll say it hasn't been so good and it hasn't been that bad. But for people holding altcoins, the week has been really bad. So welcome to my channel and uh, if you're new on this channel, I will advise you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bar so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see. So on today's market, you can just take a look at um, the altcoins in the market. Let's go to my favorite coins. You see that almost everything in the market is not making sense apart from Bitcoin and Ripple. Every other coin in the market is dumping very fast. So the thing is, for people holding Ripple, my best advice right now to you guys is to keep on holding your Ripple, right? Keep on holding your coins. Don't panic and sell because you think everybody's selling now and everybody's losing his or her patience and not that. Then you're gonna make losses. You're gonna make this. Please, you should hold your Ripple because from these candlesticks here, you will see that Ripple is forming a very strong bullish pattern. It's forming a very strong bullish movement. And myself, I have about 1,382 Ripple available, which I'm not ready to sell now, even though I've made losses. I bought it around 0.300, and right now is about 0.2819. So you see, I'm already in loss, but I assure you that I'm not going to sell my Ripple until I see it at zero point 0.6 at least. So whenever you want to just sell out your coin, just remember that there are people who bought some of these coins when they were about $1. You understand? They were about $1 or less. So don't just panic and sell when you see that the market is being bearish. So the only thing I'll advise you guys to do now is to set your alert on Binance. Set your alert, you understand, and wait so that for every information that will happen in the market, for every positive change or negative change, you will get a notification that, oh yes, the price has gone below this, the price has gone above this. Just watch from there. Do not panic and